Hey everybody, it's Travis, your manufactured home nerd. I'm still at the Home Place here in Pinson, Alabama. Thank you to Deer Valley and Home Place for letting us come tour all these beautiful homes. Today we're going to look at the Aimon, kind of a slightly different version of the Aimon that you normally see. Real quick before we go in, I kind of want to show you how this wood looks right outside this window. They got these bushes in here, which is really pretty, but it kind of hides this nice little feature that's built in underneath that dormer. I really like that look, and I wanted to show it to you. Now let's get in, away from this traffic. It's so loud along this highway, but come in here. Now this is the first home I ever sold when I worked for Bolton Homes. And now this one's a little bit different from the one I sold. It had the electric fireplace, a whole shiplap wall, everything like that. This one's got the wood burning fireplace in the corner. I like that setup too. That rock's real pretty. And I've seen people do the shiplap wall here with the mantle, something that is an option. Now one of the things they did put on here that I really love is this double door, the 4-pane sliding glass door. So it's got 2 sliding doors. It opens up much wider, makes it real nice. You can let a breeze in, you can get furniture in your house a lot easier. Just really like that look. Now I do really love this flooring. It is a new floor and it just pops really well. A lot of people are really loving it. And the Aimon is a nice kind of open floor plan, but it's also a little closed off. Kitchen's not right on top of or right next to the living room. You see the nice little classic design here. Very easy. The refrigerator, sink, and stove are all real close to each other. Kind of what you would call a 3-step kitchen. You're not moving all over the place trying to get ready for supper. And a lot of microwave vent hoods get optioned in, but of course you don't have to do that. They have the box hoods, which are really pretty. I do love this cabinet color, especially with that lined pine. And this floor, it's very rustic look. This house is always shown really well as rustic. It is about 1,980 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's got big bedrooms, no carpet in this house, but carpet would be standard in your living room and your bedrooms. Just almost nobody orders a house with carpet anymore, unless it's in the bedrooms. And of course, this closet doesn't normally come with doors, but that would be the doors that are going to get hung along the center line. They just haven't finished trimming this house out. Both bedrooms right at the same size, and they're split by this guest bathroom here. It's got nice space, bigger tub. You know, nothing super special. It's not fancy. It is just your guest bathroom, but you know, tub, shower, toilet, exactly what most people need. A little vanity lighting up above. And coming over here, you can see the utility room. Very good size. Got your little door on the side here and space for a freezer. Got your washer dryer hookup. I imagine this is probably your water heater. Most likely. Yep. And I love it behind that door. There's your furnace there as well. It's very classic. It's one of the more popular floor plans, the Aimon, just like the Zamira Briaritz. Now, one thing we're seeing it more is the wood side is more and more popular. And I'll have another video on one of those in just a couple of weeks probably. See the rest of the house here. Now, this is your master bedroom. Real quick before we go in there, you see the doors here? You don't have to do the doors here. You can do doors now you wouldn't be able to do these big sliding glass doors like this, but you can do a door from the dining room or a door from the master. And you could probably do it all 3 if you wanted to. But coming here into the master, got a beautiful shiplap tray ceiling here. Makes it feel a little bit bigger, but it does give a nice feature as well. Got 4 big windows in the master bedroom. And the way this is shaped, you can really put your bed on at least 2 of the walls. And then I believe the barn doors would go here, or it might be the double doors that goes around it when you come into your master bathroom. I've seen people set this up a couple different ways. I do love the little bench seat. Right here, you got kind of a his and hers closet. So we got closet here, next to a vanity, so this will probably be hers with the tub. Really nice. And then of course your little car wash shower setup, so you can enter it from either side. Probably would hang a hook right there on the side of the wall so I could hang my towel, or my wife could hang her towel. And then you got your bench seating. Not going to go through the shower, I'm just going to come over this way, and you can see that this is his side. You do have some extra storage. Well, you got his closet, and then over here we got some extra cabinet stacks, some extra space there, and his sink. It's about right for what the guy gets normally. And then your water closet. Now this house is very simple, very, very elegant. People absolutely love it. And if you have questions about this house or how you could actually change it up, maybe the look, whether it's colors or the layout, anything you want to do, don't hesitate to give me a call. Call Travis at 318-487-1819. I'd be glad to answer your questions. If you're in the state of Louisiana, I can help you get a home. So, y'all, thanks for watching the video with me. I know it wasn't a super long one, but, you know, sometimes quicker is better. And if you have questions, reach out to me. If you had something you loved about the house, don't forget to comment. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Y'all have a great day.